Hey, what's up guys, VirtuallyAkshay back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys my top 5 features of Android 5.0 Lollipop. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, coming up at number 1, if I go into my settings right here, and then go ahead and find security, we now have a new option called Smart Lock here. And in Smart Lock itself, we now have 2 new features called Trusted Devices, which automatically unlocks your device when it's connected to a trusted Bluetooth source. And the second feature we have is called Trusted Face. So I'm just going to go ahead and reset my Trusted Face right there, and then tap on it once more to set it up, and set up, and then next. So let me just go ahead and set the face up off camera once more. And I've set it up now, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on next and OK. Now, upon locking my device now and then unlocking it once more, we now have a new user icon at the bottom of the screen, just trying to recognize our face right now. And if it does, it automatically turns to an unlocked lock icon. And if it doesn't, it turns to a locked lock icon like right here. After that, coming up at number 2, if I jump into the settings again, and then go to battery, and then tap on the menu button right there, and then tap on battery saver. We now have a new battery saver mode which you can turn on manually or set it to turn on automatically, which I'm going to set at 5%. Now if I go ahead and turn on the battery saver mode, the first thing to notice is that the top and the bottom portion of the screen turns to an orange color, letting us know that the battery saver mode is on. And what this basically does, it slows down the performance of your device and cut out on all the new material design animations, as you can see right here, to preserve battery life. After that, coming up at number 3, if I go into my settings app right there, and then go to security, and then scroll down till I find screen pinning, and then open it up, and then turn the setting on. Now what we need to do is go ahead and open up any application. So let's say the Play Store, for instance. Now what we need to do is press the Recents app key right there, and we now have a new pin icon at the bottom right. So if I just go ahead and tap that, and then tap on Ask for Pin, and then tap on OK. As you can see now that we cannot leave the Play Store no matter what I try to do. And to exit screen pinning, what we need to do is press the back button and the Recents app key simultaneously, which will take us to the lock screen, where we can enter our PIN to enter the device. After that, coming up at number 4, if I swipe down to the top of the screen to bring up my quick settings and then tap on my user icon, as you guys can see, we now have a new guest mode, and upon tapping on that option, it's going to set up a whole new guest profile, as you guys can see right there, and it will not have any of our apps or our media on it. And to exit the guest mode, we can bring down the quick settings again, and then tap on the user icon, and then tap on remove guest to remove it, and then tap on remove, and we're pretty much done. Lastly, on number 5, if I press the volume rockers to bring up the volume settings, we now have a new none and priority mode in there. Now none will silence everything on your device from notifications, media, and even alarms, and you can set that to indefinitely or a certain number of hours. And in the priority mode, we can set the notifications that can interrupt us, like you can set it to interrupt you for a call or turn it off for a reminder or event. Also, you can set it to turn itself on automatically on particular days. So that's pretty much covers it up, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button down below, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new or if you want to see any more content like this. I'll catch you all later in the next video. Peace.